This video is to help you with the Descriptive Statistics Excel file calculator, and it lives in with all of our other calculators. This one's called Descriptive Statistics. Again, make sure you click towards the top to download this. And this is what the file looks like. It gives us a lot of information, and it's a lot of information that we'll use in the entire course. So you can see here 5-number summary. We have minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and the maximum. Some measures of the center, the mean, the median again, and the mode. Measures of variation are here. We have our variances for the population, the sample depending on what you're given, and the standard deviations. Interquartile ranges here. This is the value of it, the range, and the coefficient of variation. Then we have these other two things, which are kind of cutoff values. This is the lower fence and the upper fence. And then keep scrolling down, we have a modified box plot down here as well. Now to use this, we're filling in the data into this first column, column A. And there's one other thing that we need to make sure with this file, which is that we need to make sure that we have the data in order from least to greatest. Also make sure you start the data in this first cell here, A2. So for this one, I'm going to take this data over here. And these are the years played for the 1990 draft. And copy and paste that over here. And you'll see when I copied and pasted it, it's saying there's a problem. It's turning red here. And I have to place this in order from least to greatest. So to do that, I'm going to highlight it. And you could also do that in the other file, the data file itself. Click this sort filter. It looks like a filter there. And do sort smallest to largest. And that puts it in order. Once it's in order, it's properly functioning. So all of these measurements are correct. And you can read them off from this file.